The crosses below or crosses above operator, which are these two here, are very simple to use. We can use them in conjunction with moving averages. So if we want to create a moving average cross strategy, such as a 50 EMA crosses above a 200 EMA to create a buying strategy, we can do so. We can also use the crosses below, crosses above function for when price crosses a specific level. So let me show you what I mean by that. Let's use a Bollinger Band and when price crosses below a specific band. So you could say if price crosses below the Bollinger Band lower band, we would like to buy. So what's happened here is price has crossed below the band and we want to buy when it crosses below. To do the opposite here, we click if price crosses above the upper band, the action would be to sell. So we can use the compare function and crosses below and crosses above in two ways. When two specific indicators cross, so when moving averages cross, or we can do it when another indicator crosses, so for example a stochastic. So if we say if stochastic, and we'll leave the settings as standard, signal crosses below the number 80. Okay, so if the stochastic 533 setting crosses below the number 80. So crosses below and crosses above is one of the operators that you would use in conjunction with two other things. A stochastic or moving averages, price crossing below, price crossing above. But the crosses above and crosses below operator is used just like so.